Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you are all well. Guys, today we will learn free online video editor. In this editor, you have different tools for editing your videos. Open your browser and search Clipchamp. Open the first link and click on Try for Free, then click on Continue with Google and select your Gmail. After that, click on Continue. You have such an interface as shown. Click on Create a New Project. Once you have your project set up, import your media files by clicking the Add Media button. Now that we have our media files imported, let's start with cutting. Cutting is the process of removing unwanted parts of your video. To cut a clip, simply drag it onto the timeline. Position the playhead where you want to make the cut. You can do this by dragging the playhead or using the arrow keys for precision. Once the playhead is in the right spot, click the split button or press B on your keyboard. Now you have two separate clips. You can delete the unwanted part by selecting it and pressing the delete key or right-clicking and choosing delete. Next, let's talk about trimming. Trimming is used to shorten or extend the duration of a clip. To trim a clip, hover over the edge of the clip until you see a trim icon. Click and drag the edge of the clip to the desired length. As you trim, you'll see the time code updating, which helps you keep track of the exact duration of your clip. This is especially useful when you need your video to fit a specific time frame. Finally, let's add some transitions to make our video flow smoothly from one clip to the next. To add a transition, go to the Transitions tab in the left-hand menu. You'll see a variety of transition options. Click and drag a transition to the spot between two clips on your timeline. Release the mouse button to drop the transition in place. Color grading is a powerful tool to set the mood and tone of your videos, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. Let's get started. Click on the Color tab in the toolbar. In the Color tab, you'll find several options to adjust the colors of your video. Let's start with the brightness and contrast sliders. Increasing the contrast can make your footage pop, while adjusting the brightness can help you achieve the right exposure. Next, let's move on to the saturation slider. Increasing saturation can make the colors more vivid, while decreasing it can give your video a more muted, professional look. For a cinematic feel, you might want to slightly increase the saturation to make the colors stand out. Now let's fine-tune the colors using the temperature and tint sliders. Adjusting the temperature can make your footage look warmer or cooler, while the tint can help balance the green and magenta tones. For a cinematic look, you might want to give your video a slightly warmer tone. For more advanced color grading, Clipchamp also offers filters. Click on the Filters tab next to Color and explore the various presets available. Choose a filter that enhances your videos. To add text, click on the Text tab. You'll see a variety of text options, including titles, lower thirds, and captions. Let's start with adding a title. Select a title template and drag it onto the timeline above your video clip. Once the title is on the timeline, click on it to customize the text. You can change the font, size, color, and position to match your video's style. Experiment with different templates to see which one fits best with your video. To add captions in your video, to click the Caption button left side on your screen. Then click on Transcribe Media. And then click here to add the auto caption in your video. Next, drag your background image or video onto the timeline below your green screen video. To apply the chroma key effect, click on your green screen video clip on the timeline to select it. Then, click on the Filters tab above the timeline. Scroll down and select the green screen. Now, the green screen will be added. How to resize the canvas. Click on this button and choose your size as your wish. Then it will resize. Click on the Export button and then click on 1080p to export the project. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you like this video, so Don't forget to like this.